afternoon, New North TV. How can I help you?
Yeah, let's be clear. No one answers the phone but me.
So I was thinking about calling it a back to back. Just a good
guys, check out my new drone.
Whoa. Dude, that's crazy, man.
Hold on. Look at that.
That's crazy. Whoa, that's so much cooler than Dylan's drone.
Yeah, why is Dylan still the drone guy?
What's going on?
This is so cool.
What's the camera quality like on
It was in ancient times when the first drone-off took place. The best pilots within the realm of TV battled off to see whose drone was superior.
Dylan has been the Newton North TV drone czar for more than 3 years now, and he does not take the position lightly.
First they take my family, then they take my drone. Are they trying to take my soul?
You know what? You think your drone is so good? I challenge you to a drone off.
No.
What?
What's a drone off? That sounds like a dangerous idea.
The first time Mr. Dunlop flew the drone, he crashed into an old lady's house.
No. It's a complete fabrication. I did not hit an old lady's house. I hit an old lady. I would never do structural damage. I would never go out of my way to, intentionally hit a home. Okay? Just to make that clear.
In the late 1940s and early 1950s, Senator Joseph McCarthy and a congressional committee led the effort to expose communists in the American film industry and government, accusing many innocent people of communist...
You guys hear? Evie's trying to overthrow the drone czar.
Dude, do you realize what this means?
Dylan's gonna break all our computers again?
No. It means they're coming.
Who?
The communists!
What? When are they gonna get here?
I don't know. They're probably here right now. Watching us.
Who could be a communist?
I don't know. Get down. All right. There he is.
What are we doing?
Winning this.
Oh, snacks.
I take this competition very seriously. I would do anything to win.
Group 1 is Nick F, Nick D, and Jake.
Do you think Ben's a communist?
I hope not. I love Ben.
Look how adorable he is.
Yeah.
Okay, Ben is definitely a communist.
What?
Yeah, he supported Bernie last election.
Really?
Yeah, and I mean, just look at his hat and his suit, and he's got the red bow tie. He's definitely a communist.
Oh my god.
But I love it.
Like the air is like newer.
Can I get a piece of gum too?
Yeah. Guys, the only way we can give out gum is that everyone gets gum. All right? We distribute gum equally among everyone. If everyone gets one, great. If not, you're going to have to hold on to it.
Mr. Dunlop is a communist. They've infested the entire infrastructure of our class.
Hello? Can I sit? As long as you understand what sitting down entails, I'd say you're old enough to make a decision for yourself. So what brings you to the studio at 1:30 in the afternoon?
Earlier today you told me to come here at 1:30 precisely.
Alright.
Were you throwing oranges
You think you have what it takes?
For what?
A drone off. You see, I've seen many things in my time as drone czar. Things most can't even imagine. This job takes its toll, but I've kept going. Things haven't been the same since Nam.
You were in Vietnam?
You have no idea what this life is like. To go with the best of the best, you need to be gritty, skilled, and overall a boss. So I'll ask you again, do you think you have what it takes?
Sure.
May the best pilot win.
What are you hiding, Dunlop?
What do we really know about it?
Well, he taught TV media arts here at Newton North for like 5 years now, something like that.
And before that?
Well, I think he was a producer for.
But was he born and raised in Soviet Russia?
Well, I don't think.
Exactly, Will. You don't know. For all we know, he could be Stalin's son.
I mean, Stalin's been dead for like.
Stay out of it, Will. What, do you love Stalin or something?
Wait. What if he's a communist? Hey, Mr. D.
God, it is freezing in this.
Yeah.
AC, get AC stuff.
How's it going?
Good. What's up with you guys?
No, just, relaxing.
Yeah.
End of the day.
Alright.
Yeah.
Glad I caught you. You guys want to talk for a minute in my office? Yeah, a couple things I want to run by you.
What about?
You'll see. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Newton North TV. Welcome to the 4th annual TV Drone Off. Our contestants are competing for the title of Drone Czar, Pride, and $1 million. Standing in lane 1, we have the current holder of the Drone Czar title, the master electrician, the one, the only, Dylan Crook. Woo! Let's go! All right. Standing in lane 2, we have the current challenger, Eviatar Gershon.
Thank you.
And standing in lane 3, we have our last minute entrance, Ian Reed.
So, I got this drone for Christmas. I've only flown it a few times before, but thought I'd enter anyways. In it more for the sport, I think, than anything else.
Our contestants will be competing in 15 different rounds of competition. But first, please rise for our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail?
So there's a few things I wanted to discuss with you guys.
Isn't red great?
I love the color.
Isn't it just great?
Yeah, it's fine color.
Yeah,
fine color.
I know, it's great.
There's problems with I feel like the unity in this class, making sure that we grow as a nation. I mean, as a community, as a program, and we are headed in the right direction. You understand what I'm saying? I need to I need to get a firm grasp on this class because I don't know if everyone's listening to me or not, but I've got to take control here.
I would love to help you. We would love to. Love to help.
You guys are with me on this?
Well, I love sharing things too.
Sharing is caring. That's what they say. And if you like sharing, I think you're gonna like what I have in mind next. Equality in our program.
Mr. Dunlop, could you help me with a video real quick? I'm working on a project right now. I need some help.
Oh, sure, not a problem. Guys, just keep this in mind. It's all about equality.
Okay.
Equal wealth distribution. We're a wealthy school. You know. All right.
Bye, comrade.
What does this guy have in here?
No doubt left in my mind. I don't know if I've ever been more sure of anything ever.
A Soviet flag in his office. That's all you need. Communist.
Take that! Now, it's time for stage 15, the final challenge. This round will require the assistance of Ben Feldman, Whoever's drone can catch this man the fastest wins.
Wait, what? Not again, not again, not again! He's a communist! Get him! Ha-ha!
Oh my God!
Whoa! According to my calculations, your winner of the 2018 NNTV Drone Off and title of Drone Czar is Ian Reed!
Thank you, man. Thank you. It means a lot.
Thank you all. It is such an honor to win this award and be your next drone czar. I just like to thank my mom.
No!
And
What the hell? I'm the drone czar. That drone can't win. What are you talking about? I'm the drone czar. This is my gig, man.
yeah, Dylan seemed a little upset that he didn't win, but I'm sure he'll get over it. He's a big boy.
Oh, you want to know what happened in Major 3? So they all got expelled.
No!
Dylan had a bit of a meltdown and decided to smash all of the computers in the school. So he's gone. Aidan and Eric, they kidnapped a student, and then they called the principal a communist for pressing charges. So they've been expelled for that. Eric, the other Eric HF, we found out that he was responsible for the 5-alarm fire that burnt down our studio, which entirely had to be replaced. Again, another expulsion. That brings us to Evie, his senior photo was somehow deleted from the system. So rather than, maybe it could have had something to do with Dylan smashing all the computers, we're not entirely sure about that. Rather than go ahead and take another picture, he decided that the school would appreciate it if he painted a 2-story tall mural of his face in the exterior of the building. They didn't appreciate it, and he was asked to leave. Again, another expulsion. Ben really got into using that bear suit of his and decided that it would be a great prank to hide in the ladies' bathroom when our eldest staff member needed to use the restroom. That brings us to Will. We're not really sure about Will. I wish them the best. I wish them all the best. Hopefully they'll find their own paths in life, and maybe being a part of this program help them and guide them to where they need to be. So that's the way it goes sometimes in TV media world. Yeah. Anyway, back to work. On to next year. Next year's Major 3s. They'll be coming up soon. Oh boy. Can't wait.
No! I'm not okay! I'm horrible! Get out of here!